Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time to my channel, my name is Jessica. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free, and in today's video I have something super exciting to share with you guys. I am going to be unboxing a bunch of vegan shoes from the brand T.U.K. If you guys don't know, I have been working with the brand T.U.K. They sent me a huge box. I did an unboxing video on my channel about 2 years ago, and that was the first time I had ever had a pair of T.U.K. shoes in my whole life, and I will link that video in the cards and also down below for you. Since that video, the brand has become one of my all-time favorite brands. All other shoes aren't vegan, but they have so many vegan shoes. So I had hit them up when they first started promoting vegan shoes. I asked them if they would like to work with me. I have been working with them ever since then. So I have this huge box to show you guys. There's a lot of shoes in here, and I'm super excited to share them with you. Now, if you guys don't know, the brand is mostly vegan, and they started using T.U.K skin, which is basically their version of vegan leather, and it holds up really well. The shoes that I have from them, especially my Mondo boots, I'll put a picture of them over here, they have held up super well. I wore them almost every single day for about a year, and they're still in really great condition. They have a tiny bit of wear on them, but overall the quality of T.U.K shoes are honestly like some of the best quality out there. So I'm super excited to share this video with you guys and to show you what they sent to me. I have been vegan myself for 11 going on 12 years in April, and back when I first went vegan, there weren't that many options as far as apparel, fashion, all that goes. So especially like things that are a little bit on the more like alternative fashion styles, a lot of vegan products didn't really exist. If you wanted a vegan shoe or fashion, it would be very like basic, I guess, but there just weren't a lot of options. The products that have been coming out in the past couple of years, the quality of products have just quadrupled, which is really awesome. It's really cool to live in a time where there are quality, cruelty-free products. So anyway, let's just get into the unboxing. So this is the first pair of shoes, and this is actually a pair of boots, and they are so good looking. So this is what they look like. So these boots are the black 10i Gibson boots. It has a nice little zipper on the side here. I also really enjoy that it has the white lacing on the sides, and I have a few pair of T.U.K boots already, and I really like them, so I'm excited to have another pair. It has the T.U.K skull with the little bones on the bottom. I love their attention to detail in the brand as well. And another thing that I do really like about T.U.K is their products are, I guess you could say, unisex, or you know, anyone can wear them, which I really do appreciate. They also do have like good sizing as well, so they do go up to quite large. Next, I'm super excited about these ones. Wow, these are so light. These are the black 7i Dino Lug sole boots. This is what they look like. I also do really like that it has the white lacing detail on the bottom. They just look like really nice quality. Like, it looks like actual leather, but the bottom is actually foam, which I do like, because when you're walking around in a boot like these, you don't want them to be super heavy, so I do really appreciate that. And I'm super excited to wear these. I've been eyeing these and the last ones, the Gibson boots, for months, so I'm excited to finally try these on and give them a go. So next we have the Leopard Eyelet Mary Jane. They're very nice and soft, and then they have like a nice little strap, which I really do like. It has the buckle, which makes it super easy when you're putting them on and off. I think they're really cute. I do not wear a ton of leopard, but I do like wearing a little bit of leopard and like animal print, but it's not something that I'm like super into all the time. So I'm really excited to have these. Most of my clothes are black, as you guys know, and these are going to be really great to add into my everyday kind of style as is. They're going to go with everything, so I'm super excited to give them a go. Every time I've had a pair of vegan T.U.Ks, they do come with this little tag that says PETA approved vegan and T.U.K footwear vegan right on there. So I know that a lot of the shoes do look authentic, and sometimes I do second guess myself when it comes to purchasing vegan items. I will think that I accidentally purchased something that has suede or leather, but I like that they do add the little tag on there so you don't have to second guess yourself, because a lot of these shoes, they do look like authentic suede and leather materials were used in them, which is great. They look really high quality and they're just really good. And this is the first pair of like flat creepers, Mary Jane style creepers that I've ever had from T.U.K. So I'm really excited to wear them. I am so over the moon about these. Oh my god, these are so nice. These are the black faux suede VLK sneakers. I have one pair of sneakers that I have from T.U.K, and their sneakers are so freaking comfortable and such good quality. They feel really cushiony. They're like my absolute favorite sneaker I think that I've ever owned, and these ones are so freaking cute. They're all black and they do have like a white bone with the skull details on the bottom. And then they do have like a little tuck logos that are white as well. So it's a really good contrast, but these are such nice high quality. These honestly feel like suede and I'm so excited about it. But yeah, if you showed me these shoes and it didn't have a little vegan logo on it, I would think that this is like 100% suede or leather because of how nice it feels. And it just feels very like non-vegan. I already know that I really like how comfortable they are, but the fact that they just look so nice and high quality makes me even more excited to wear these. And then I do have one more pair, but they're not for me, so I'm super excited to bring a guest on here and surprise. I haven't shown him what they look like, but I know that he's gonna be excited about it as well. All right, so I have one more pair of shoes to unbox, and they're not for me, they're for my boyfriend, Oscar, so I'm super excited to show you.
My first pair of vegan shoes, guys. All right. Oh, nice. These are pretty cool. They're all, well, I think they're all black creepers.
They're sneakers.
Sneakers, not creepers. Tuck, T.U.K.
You have a pair of T.U.K.
I do.
sneakers.
I have the leopard print, like green.
Yeah.
Leopard kind of print. Are not vegan. I had these years before I was introduced to actual vegan footwear. And I have a pair of like classic creepers and stuff like that
and
as well.
And you've never intentionally bought a pair of vegan shoes?
Not intentionally.
What do you think, like compared to like a leather or suede type of shoe?
I mean, they feel super similar to like suede. They feel super nice, 100% vegan approved, if you guys can see that.
The T.U.K sneakers are like some of my favorite sneakers ever, like just as far as like sneakers go, because they're like super cushiony. Like they kind of like feel like your foot is like in a cloud.
Ooh.
Or like a pillow. It's just, they're so comfortable, and I love wearing them out if I'm gonna be out like all day or whatever.
Yeah.
Like my feet don't hurt by the end of the day.
Yeah, these look great. I mean, for them being, you know, vegan, they seem like they would be really comfortable. Definitely style or fashionable, I should say. Yeah, I can't wait to try them on
and then I have one more surprise. I'm super excited. These are my shoes.
Okay.
But look.
We have matching shoes.
Matching shoes.
That's gonna be so much fun.
That's like all I've ever wanted in my life.
In your life, matching shoes.
With someone.
We match with our red Vans when we wear those, so that's pretty cool. But we did see a post that T.U.K posted.
Yeah, like couples.
Couples.
Yeah.
That were posing with shoes.
So look out for future content of couples.
Here we are.
Couples T.U.K.
Yeah, that's awesome. I can't wait to wear them out.
Me too.
It's gonna be pretty cool.
Thank you for joining me.
Of course. Thank you, T.U.K.
Yeah, thank you T.U.K. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you later. Bye guys.